complete set of wheat flour, meal blend, can be divided into 4 parts: cleaning part, milling part, packing part, and PLC contouring part. Cleaning part. To clean out the middle and small impurity from wheat, for example, dust, stone, magnetic material. Wheat was beaten by insect and so on, includes beating, skinning, dusting, magnetic separator, and damping. This section is to prepare for milling part and to protect the machinery as well. Milling part. The second step to mill the grain and separate the flour, bran, and other byproduct. 1. Mill. Mill the grain to break the integrity by the roller movement. Roller mill is by far the most important grading machine in the mill. 2. Sifter. To separate the flour, bran, and other byproduct. Also separate large size and small size to ensure flour quantity. 3. Purifier. In the wheat mill, purification is achieved when fine bran and germ are separated from endosperm particles to increase the purity of coarse endosperm, free now semolina. 3. Packing part. The packing machine can be manual or automatic weighting and packing. 4. PLC contouring system. To contouring the whole set of machinery to work well and shorten the process of working.